Hey guys, last part of our first walk or nature walk or whatever. I'm not filming every walk I go on, and I'll only film one video for each, walk or path or whatever. Please do donate some money. I know I've said this loads of times, and if you watch my videos quite a lot, you get it. I'll say it like maybe once every 2 videos then. We're just coming up to a bench that was like this guy was written in it, died in something like 1970, I don't know. And it's just a bench for us to sit on. I'm not going to sit on this actually. Yeah, this will be quite a short video. I just want to tell you mostly about the flood. It wasn't a monsoon or anything. It came down here a lot, like lots. And as it came down here, it was quite slow, I guess. Came up to here, as you can see. And this, you probably know what it was. Water goes in and in there. The thing is, there's like a little stone path here for the water. So all the water that came from up there and went past that stone path, it came down here. There's a bench. There's a nice walk down there we'll probably do someday. And cow. Do you hear that? That is the electric fence. Like my mum never said. I definitely said camera woman. I'm holding the camera. She just holds it when I'm doing like challenges or whatever. Okay, that's really annoying. Oh, really? Oh, dude. My mum just challenged me to touch the fence. If I do, please leave a like and subscribe. Now I do want you to subscribe. God. It's not going to run well. Does it go through here? This barbed wire? Barbed wire?
No.
Where?
I don't think you'll be able to touch it because you'd have to get in the field. It's
Oh gosh.
there, isn't it?
No, I'm not touching. Yes. You have to leave a like and subscribe for that. You have to. Oh, butterfly or whatever that is. Hang on, I'm going to chase it. Sir, there. Can you guys see it? I don't know if you can. Here. Fly away, my friend. Or stay on my finger. No, fly away. Fly away. Maybe get on the ground and then fly away. You really like my finger. Are you upside down, bud? Okay. And all of it trickled down here like urine in the morning. Okay, yep, that was really weird. Came all the way down here, down to there. Now, it kind of went through here, and here, it went over to here. I think it was with this bush, then over to here. So it kept on like fusing and then going to the other side. One of the sides going to the other side. We're coming down to a barn where there'll probably be masses of wildlife. I was going to say this will be a short video, but I mean really, it's not really. It's longer than most of my videos. My longest video is 7 minutes and a half, I think. It's part 3 of the nature walk, or maybe part 4. Yes, part 4. And we'll probably continue this for say another minute, just looking around the barns, and then I'll say bye. Because the way back is the same way we came up in part 1. So yeah, lots of nice birds up there. Yeah. Right. Here we are. I've never actually investigated in here before, and I'm not going to investigate too much. Tomorrow I will upload. By the way, if you're watching this like 1,000 days after, by the way, in 1,000 days, can you please say if the world is blown up? No, I'm talking time travel. I would have known. See, there's lots of birds in here. There's a pigeon up there. Wow, pigeons are so rare. Honestly, like, it takes 1,000 years to even see one there. Oh! Did you see that? It was a little wild cat. That's probably not wild, actually, because you only really find them in Scotland. Scotland. I can't do a Scottish accent. Say if my Scottish accent is good. Dean, Kim, what you talking about? Where are you, comfy? Yeah, it's terrible. Anyway, I'm going to have to end it probably here, because down there is back the way we came. So, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Don't forget to adopt or donate some money to conservation. Love you guys for, I don't know, liking. Bye.